purchasing fidgets
For her
at
birthday.
Learning Express. Is it open? Oh, here. Oh, I think I see the fidgets. I see the fidgets. Huh?
How stressed are you, Ava? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Oh, you better get this right here.
Ava.
This. Oh.
You gotta do it like the other way. How I was doing it.
You gotta push it.
I want it. Wait, are there like? Oh, look, there's.
Get a basket.
It's heavy.
You gotta hold it like this, bro. Put your arm.
Wait,
Look,
did I
we'll
don't?
hold it for you. Make Wendy hold it for you.
Okay. There's needles.
What is that?
Look, they're like stress balls.
Oh, nice.
Tornadoes.
Oh. Look, Wendy. There's
Is that like a
bracelet poppet.
I love this one.
There's a cat
I'm
needle.
gonna steal this one from you.
Yes.
Oh, let me feel that one.
Oh, you can't pop this one, but that's okay.
That's okay.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Wait, is there like a paw?
It's a paw.
Oh, yeah.
Get him. Get the one that's already.
Oh yeah. Wait. I already have one of the. Not like.
Ava. Scale of 1 to 10. How satisfying.
Yeah, I've been looking for these.
Oh, look.
There's a blue, right? Wait. Hold on.
She's gonna be the fidget queen. I'm gonna have to watch her when she goes to school.
I want the blue one.
What's this?
Wait, you can connect them together.
Really?
Yeah. Look,
Oh yeah.
if I wait, can you help me? Wait, connect. It's okay. You see, and then makes it longer.
Look, there it goes.
Ava,
What?
do you see what this is? What? Me and Ava, was it last night?
Yes, last night.
We saw a TikTok. And it says, we're going to do the law of attraction together. And we're going to think about flamingo.
Yeah, and then we'll see one at, like in 2 days.
Flamingo, pink flamingo.
Dude, oh, to here?
What? No, we did the law of attraction. Me and her together.
When, though?
Last night.
Oh. That's
We
funny.
said we're going to see a pink flamingo.
Oh, yeah.
Fifi, get it. It's special. It's special.
Just like the random thing. We literally go back.
I'm making her get it.
Ava, do you want this pink flamingo?
Yeah.
You don't want it?
I know I do.
No, she said you don't want it.
I do.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's an Orby stress ball. Well, yeah. What are these?
Oh my god. Turn your phone. We just saw a pink flamingo.
Yes, we did.
What does that mean? We told ourselves that we were going to see a pink flamingo.
In
we
like
said,
in less of 2 days.
Yep. And last night we closed our eyes and said pink flamingo.
And look, they said soon we're gonna see any type of like flamingo.
Yep. And
Any
we found
kind.
2 pink flamingos.
Look, Wolfie up there. Eat. Wait. Sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, look. It's a kitty neato. It's a switch ball.
Oh, it's not.
That's what I'm saying. Taste yourself.
Can I get it?
Okay, we'll put the pink flamingo back.
You don't have to, bro.
You don't really want the water one. Because look at all the pops. Is this what you really want? You didn't even pick it out though.
Wait till you make it over there in the middle of the bottle.
Wait, I did.
It's
Oh, is
crazy over there.
Excuse me.
Kroger.
You guys. Wait, this is from the zombie song. Wait, I want to get a Poppet. Fifi. I want that.
Oh, this one's actually good.
There's a Godzilla. Wendy. Godzilla.
Why did I get that moment? She got Godzilla popping. Yeah.
Yes, I love Godzilla. My biggest monster fan. Look, Squishmallows. Puppy. Fifi. The jumbo poppets are back here.
The jumbo.
Can I get this one? Wait, how much is this? I don't know.
$30.
This is $30.
You want a jumbo pocket?
Yeah.
The dinosaur one?
Yeah. Wait. Big one. Big one. Ooh.
Those are the same.
Oh, you need dice, and you roll it and see which one wins.
Wait, that's how you play it?
Yeah, I saw people playing it.
What's the dice at?
You gotta get your own.
So you want both of these? Oh, because this is Godzilla.
Yeah, duh, Fifi. Love Godzilla.
Sorry.
Are you sure, Fifi?
Are you sure?
Look,
I know. I won't.
if you can get one.
I see her on her phone.
Wow. Oh, they're so adorable. The puppets. Little cute puppets.
That's a lovely.
Yes. It's hard to squish.
Hey, Ava, turn at me. Ava. Turn to me and say, birthday fidgets.
Birthday fidgets.
Look at me without your phone. Say it.
Birthday fidget. Back here, everyone goes back here. There's like, yes.
I'm going to edit this video.
Stress balls. It is huge.
You didn't see the avocado toast?
Where are you going, Fifi? Baby books. So cute.
Body going.
I'm just hoping that I could see more. Hopefully, maybe. There's TVs. Okay, apparently fidgets.
Oh, is that not what you're doing it?
I don't know.
It is a bouncing ball. Oh, it bounces weirdly. Go get it.
It's sticky, kinda, I think. I don't see any more fidgets, but we could look. Meow. This is the baby stuff. Going back over here and see. Wait, do they? Okay, is it supposed to move? I was scared. Wait. Oh, look, a unicorn. I want a mini poppet more than this. I'm gonna get a mini poppet. The fidget spinner dimples.
Oh, wow.
Oh wait. Can you get one or is this only? Oh.
Probably over there.
Oh. I want one of these. Yes. That one's perfect.
Suction cups? Oh, I like this.
They're supposed to look. These are mini poppets. Look, it's the peach. Is this considered as a fidget? Yes, fidgets. Fifi. Fifi. Everyone's just searching here for fidgets. That's all. Oh, fidgets. Wait. Those are called mochis.
Oh, look at that.
There's
I
fidget
remember those
thimbles.
things. Look at the avocado. I like that.
Fifi.
You picked this up? Yeah. I didn't put nothing in.
Sorry, Fifi. Where did this go? What?
Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah.
You don't want this one? You have one of these already?
No. I'm just looking around. DNA chess balls.
Okay.
It's so hard. Fifi, these are what I am looking for. They are Neatos. Wendy, you could get a couple of these and look. Well, they're kind of dirty for some reason.
Together?
See, they're supposed to go together and they stick together. We're back over here. Sorry, Wendy.
What is that?
They're monkey noodles. Wendy, look. They're zippers.
What?
Yeah,
That's cool.
they're fidgets.
Yeah, I definitely fidget with this all day. Oh, look, there's almost in here. I love this one. I almost want to eat myself. She picked it out. I just been holding it. Huh? What? She picked it out. I just been holding it. She has some of these, right? Yeah. I remember you have some of these.
I don't have any more for some reason. Because
why?
Because
you lose your stuff. That's why.
what's? Oh my gosh, an Arby's chest ball!
Okay. Give me
A computer? Wait, I think these go on your computers. You see? They do. Look, they go on your computer.
Looks like a paper.
Cause it. Yeah. No, never mind. I already have a jumbo puppet now. Hello. Look, they're kitties. Fifi. Fifi. Those are texture monkey noodles.
Texture monkey noodles?
Yep. I could get a dimple. Na na na. Can I get this?
You almost done?
Yeah, I think so. But I gotta look around again, Fifi.
Okay.
Whee! I'm seeing if I missed anything. What are these?
Oh yeah, we don't open the packaging, huh?
Fifi. Boo. Boo. Bye. Fifi. Fifi, look.
I love it. This is the best one.
I'm getting that, maybe. You want that? I'm getting it. Look,
Okay, is this the last one?
Can I go check one more time?
You can look around, but this needs to be the last one.
Okay.
You might be able to put something if you want something on that.
Okay.
Do they have these there?
I don't think I probably have technology. I don't think
Just one type of chocolate.
Well, you got the world thing.
it smells edible. Don't stick your fingers in that. Don't do that.
Oh wait, maybe you can't get things.
It really does. Oh my gosh,
Sorry. I'm back.
You back?
I tried to see if I could get the mini little fidget spinners, but it looked like it was inside their thingy, so. Look, they're hard poppets.
You want it?
What is that? It's a heart.
the last one.
Wendy.
Wait, maybe I could trade this out? No. Because I love everything I got. Wait, Fifi, I like this color more than the other Godzilla.
Oh, yes. Good trade.
Oh, look, Fifi, there's King Kong. Look, there's King Kong. Baby Yoda. Oh, try to slide that in. It's hard to squish though.
This is nice.
Yes.
Alright, if you want this is the glass one.
Wait, can I get one Nito?
What's the need at?
Sorry. These are Nitos. The stress balls. Wait, they're down here. Which holes? Where are the regular Nitos? They don't have regular Nitos, but that's okay.
Well, we're about to leave right now.
Yeah, we're just getting one more thing. I like this one. Wait. Okay. Wait, did I get one of those?
Look at this.
Oh, sorry, Fifi. Look, Fifi, they're down here.
Oh, the fidgets?
The like little fidget spinners. I like them. Okay, that's the last one.
Alright, let's go, girl.
Bye.